individual we have 27 times 27 over, and each quadrat we have mentioned, you have to mention 10 quadrats. The quadrat for all it's going to be same. And the same pattern per species number B, you have mentioned, for example, has been repeated how many times? 20 times. And the quadrat, that is always 10. And the same pattern per species number C, that is 19 over 10. So you will get the density. So remember, once again, I'm repeat, quadrat method is the most obvious and easy method, and which we are going to estimate even the population is concerned. For example, here we're going to find something very randomly, but the random thing is, of course, we are going to highlight these things. Suppose we have quadrat here, and then we are going to repeat these again. This randomly is not the way. Here you have put one quadrat here, then another going to be there, another going to be there. So that will represent a particular area, and then we make such a thing that given the population of particular. For example, here the dominant species could be, I mentioned, could be disco mystica. We also call Sankalasper or Medicaco sativa is going to be a dominant species. Then we also, for example, such a way, I gotta mention the line transact method have suppose from a shared country, and we have did these things a number of times. For better research, if you have a geographical, if you have mentioned a particular area and which have a slope and you have a large area, then you need to put the line transact method. The two things that I'm going to repeat here, actually from Pakistan. In Pakistan, we have a good scientist, one scientist we have. The three scientists which I'm going to refer you because they're awesome. One of us, Dr. Siraj, he did research, he's ecologist. Of course, I'm a student, I'm going to follow him. He did a lot of research. His research plan was a geographic. There was another scientist he called Dr. Islamuddin. He did research on the signal molecule. According to Mr. Islamuddin, the 200 chemical release by plant to the soil. So that's about it. It play an important role. Wow, there was awesome. So signal molecule play an important role because microorganism mark the species a particular area. So taxonomically, there's going to be a task. Another scientist, of course, he's a biologist, Dr. Abdul Wahab. He did research, especially, mark recapture method. He did a number of times. He worked awesomely, and he concluded the different ecosystem, and the interpretation is going to be revealed in the form of articles. The last but not the least one is Mr. Asghar Khan. He did research in phytogeology. We have a different zone, ecological, I mentioned, tropical, subtropical, temperate, you have a dry and moist. And I'll go to the final zone. Here's what ecological status of the species I'm going to mention here. This is also going to be sampling, the biodiversity, because in that sampling we mentioned that particular species dominant, they are subdominant, they are wet, and they are recessive. And then we make a list of that species, why this species are not going to merge, why they're going to be extinct, why that is going to be the blue list. So this is very important, and this up to the botanist that he could do such a thing here. Now we have put example here in New Jersey. This is any time here, but anyhow we did, and hope so it's going to open the door for a new research here. Actually, I'm going to introduce myself. Actually, I'm from Pakistan. I'm botanist here. I'm student botany too, because I love these things, even to learn it. I'm in the learning stage. Actually, in our country, in Pakistan, it's obvious that we have 6,000 species. 200 to 2,000 species that they have a nutritional value. A lot of diversity we have, especially on the region northwest of Pakistan. We call Savat, snow water tree. We have a lot of diversity, especially we have gymnospermic species called endurantpole, as and protein to 45-inch furrier, which is merged. We have average elevation that is from 2,800 even to 8,000, more than 8,000 if you go to the Malamjaba. Even the same patient when you go to the left of the